Good morning, viewers. Today's discussion is about the recommendation given in 45th GST Council meeting. This recommendation is about internal transfer of the balance in electronic cash ledger between distinct persons. Okay, now you can internally transfer cash ledger balance between the distinct persons. Okay, so I've divided this topic into three parts. First, let me explain you what is this distinct person concept. Second, what is this recommendation proposal given in 45th GST Council meeting? And we will discuss one case study. Okay, so see this. Say I'm a taxable person. I have place of business in multiple states, Maharashtra, Delhi, Karnataka. I have branch office, etc. Now, as you're aware, there is section 25 of the CGST Act which says, if I have place of business in different state and I'm supplying goods or services from that state, then in each such state, I need separate GST registration. Alag GST number on it. Even though it's me only, person is same, but since I have place of business in different state, I need different GST registration. So in Maharashtra, I have different GST number. In Delhi, I have second GST number. In Karnataka, I will have third GST number, and so on. This is the concept of distinct person. Now, many times what happens? See this. See, say my GST liability in the Maharashtra state was only 10 lakh. In Delhi, it was say 30 lakh. And in Karnataka, it was say 50 lakh. Okay, now what mistake I did? While making GST payment of the state of Maharashtra, instead of 10 lakh, erroneously, I paid 1 crore. See this. So this was a mistake. Ek zero zyada ho gaya. Instead of 10 lakh, I erroneously paid 1 crore rupees. So in the electronic cash ledger of the state of Maharashtra, how much funds are available? 1 crore rupees. Now, what is the solution for this? Someone will say take refund. Refund takes around 60 to 90 days. Someone will say carry forward, but your funds are getting blocked. Don't you agree? Okay, so what is this recommendation? Finally, it is some recommendations are given in 45th of GST Council meeting. What they have recommended, see, I agree, and it is very good recommendation that if there is a balance in electronic cash ledger, then that balance can be transferred between their distinct person. Mera jo GST number Delhi and Karnataka hai, I can transfer that funds directly from the state of Maharashtra. But listen carefully, you can transfer only the balance of CGST and IGST, central ka paisa, state ka nahi de sakte. So SGST balance in cash ledger, you cannot transfer. Maharashtra SGST balance, you cannot give to Karnataka and Delhi and so on. Okay, so this is an important recommendation and I totally am in favor of this. So what will happen now? What mistake I did? I had paid erroneously 90 lakh extra, 10 lakh ki jagah 1 crore. Now, what was my GST liability in Delhi? 30 lakh. What was my GST liability in Karnataka? 50 lakh. I am not required to pay GST. वहां भरने की जरूरत ही नहीं. What will I do? जो भी cash ledger में funds है, out of this 90 lakh, 30 lakh I will transfer to Delhi state, and out of the remaining 60 lakh, 50 lakh I will transfer to Karnataka state. Okay, so now in my Maharashtra fund block is only 10. Correct. So I will not be required to pay GST for the state of Delhi and Karnataka. Internally, he settle concept. So this is a very, very, very good recommendation given in GST Council meeting. Okay, but see, one case study I would like to discuss. Say I'm taxable person of Maharashtra. I have surplus balance in my electronic credit ledger, ITC padha tha, 50 lakh ka. In my Delhi, GST liability is 30 lakh. Karnataka 20 lakh. My query to all of you. Can I transfer the balance in electronic credit ledger ITC क्या distribute कर सकता हूँ Delhi and Karnataka में? GST Council meeting ने क्या recommend किया है? That you can transfer only the balance in electronic cash ledger, not credit ledger. So this you cannot transfer. This you can not transfer. Agreed? So two things, please remember. Only cash ledger balance, credit ledger name, and second, only central ka paisa. That means CGST and IGST can be transferred, SGST cannot be transferred. Now, this is just a recommendation. Notification is yet to come. Which form will be there? It is yet to be updated. Those things I will update you later. So I hope you have loved the lecture. You have loved this update. Stay tuned for more such updates. I will keep sharing with all of you. Thank you so much, each and everyone. Goodbye. Take care.